Updating your home with a brand new look is every homeowner's dream. But this dream can also be a nightmare because finding the perfect flooring solution isn't easy. Well, someone may say that there are many options available in the market. But will any of them work for your home? What about your budget? Can you afford to buy the floor and cater to the installation costs? When thinking of a perfect flooring solution for your house, you probably want a combination of cheap and durable. Well, you can find all these in vinyl flooring. Thanks to their benefits, vinyl flooring is taking the market by storm. It looks like everyone is out searching for this flooring solution, thanks to their amazing characteristics. But before you join the rest, you must understand that every flooring solution you choose comes with its share of benefits and drawbacks. Vinyl is not an exception. So, you need to understand everything about vinyl before installing it in your house. Check the prices, durability, installation costs, and their unique features. Luckily, you don't have to go anywhere to do the research as this article has all the information you need. What is vinyl plank flooring? If you've always loved wood floors but for one reason or another can't use them, vinyl plank flooring is a great alternative. And yes, these kinds of floors have unique designs that make them look exactly like a hardwood floor. But they have a great advantage as compared to hardwood or other flooring solutions. The planks look exactly like wood but differ in terms of cost, durability, and waterproof nature. Vinyl plank floors are popular for their affordability and family-friendly nature. The floors are extremely easy to install. You need to look for something that will help you renovate your home without costing a lot to buy and still save you the installation costs. And you have that answer in vinyl plank flooring. The products come in a variety of designs and styles to provide you with perfect home decor. Since everyone has a certain wood type that they love, you can incorporate your favorite hardwood design into vinyl. The outcome will be a perfect flooring solution that you've desired for a long time. Are you wondering how this is possible? Well, vinyl comes in strips made to mimic different types of hardwood. If you want oak wood style, you'll get that incorporated into your vinyl floor. Make sure you shop around and find a design that will go with your home decor and match the preferences of your entire family. What is a luxury vinyl plank LVP? Since the introduction of vinyl planks in the market, the manufacturers have continued to come up with amazing designs and technological improvements. Some look so real that you'll think they're real wood. Those that look real are probably the luxury ones. Luxury vinyl planks, also known as LVP, are individual vinyl pieces that look so real you'll confuse them with real hardwood. They come in both waterproof and water-resistant, depending on the brand. Don't be confused between waterproof and water-resistant vinyl. You already know that LVP comes in different forms and grades. Well, the cheap ones are water-resistant, and the more expensive ones are waterproof. Be very careful when purchasing these, as other crooks can sell you the cheaper grades at the price of waterproof ones. One thing homeowners love about LVP is its great look and durability. They're also very easy to install. You can use a DIY project and save installation costs. They resist moisture and are kids and pet friendly. What is vinyl plank flooring made of? Vinyl planks are specifically crafted using vinyl to resemble a specific type of hardwood. The process of making this flooring material involves melting polyvinyl chloride resins (PVC) with a synthetic material. The melted materials are then combined with other compounds such as stabilizers, calcium carbonate, fungicides, and plasticizers. These additional compounds make the end product more durable and resilient. But this is not enough to make vinyl flooring. The material goes through further pressing to form multiple layers of planks. These planks come in different layers. The first is the backing layer made to prevent moisture from seeping into the subfloor below it. Therefore, it's waterproof or water-resistant. Another layer is the core that makes the bulk of the vinyl plant. This consists of strong and durable material. Onto the core stands a high-resolution digital image. This can be wood, stone, or tile. This is what makes vinyl mimic the look of hardwood or stone flooring types. Lastly, there is a layer on top of the plant. This is a transparent layer that allows you to see underneath. This layer is scratch and stain resistant that protects vinyl plank from damage. It also makes the floor easier to maintain. This layer can fade with time. Vinyl plank and tile flooring pros. The visual appeal. Vinyl plank and tile flooring give homes a touch of class, elegance, and portray a unique personality. These flooring solutions have undergone massive improvements over the years, with one of the aims being to make them even more attractive. Thanks to technology, floors now feature HD technology that takes hardwood or stone photos to make luxury vinyl products. You can get your vinyl flooring solution in any kind of wood of your choice. Whether you want cherry, maple, oak, or hickory, you have it all. The beauty is not only in the exterior. The planks are also beautifully shaped, appearing exactly like hardwood planks. You have the freedom to choose different textures, colors, and styles. Ease of installation. Thanks to constant improvements, vinyl floors go so well with DIY projects. You'll not need to do any sawing or hammering during installation. Other luxury brands come with self-adhesive, which you just place in the subfloor, and it sticks. There are also click-clock vinyl, which is the easiest to install as they need no glues, solvents, or chemicals to stick. You'll only need a day, depending on your floor size, to finish the installation process. Installing it yourself saves you a lot of money as you won't need to pay a professional to do it. Easy to maintain. The upper layer of vinyl makes them stain resistant, making cleanup easy. You only need to sweep to remove dust and mop for dirt and spills. This is great for those who suffer from allergies, as allergens on the floor are easy to eliminate. They don't linger around like the case with carpet floors. Mopping your vinyl gives it a beautiful look, but you don't have to do it daily unless in high-traffic areas. Waterproof. One of the worst nightmares of homeowners is molds and mildew in the house. If you live in wet areas, vinyl floors should be your ideal material. Install vinyl in wet-prone areas like kitchen, bathroom, and basement, and you'll never have to deal with moisture issues. Thanks to their water-resistant nature, vinyl floors do not absorb water quickly. This feature also contributes to the durability of the materials. Vinyl is affordable. Despite their versatility, durability, and flexibility, you can still get these flooring solutions at very affordable prices. Vinyl has become a great flooring option for those who love hardwood. They offer the same look, elegance, and stun of hardwood, but they're more cost-effective. The prices for luxury vinyl will depend on the type you get. If you're willing to pay more, you can get additional features such as durability, variety of designs, and added cushion. Family-friendly. If you have a big family comprised of pets and children, vinyl will be the best option. One of the reasons why it's family-friendly is because it's easy to maintain. They come with a non-slip feature ideal for homes with kids who are protected from falls. It's anti-static and slip-resistant makes them ideal for bathrooms. Vinyl plank and tile flooring. Cons. Non-recyclable. One big disadvantage of vinyl floors is that you cannot recycle them. The synthetic material used to make vinyl is non-biodegradable and hard to reuse. Finding manufacturers with programs that recycle vinyl flooring is not easy. This means old vinyl ends up in landfills and pollutes the environment. But you can avoid this by going for environmentally friendly vinyl planks. These ones are not made with dangerous chemicals and can be recycled. But overall, recycling is not easy, and you might want to consider a different flooring alternative if you're environmentally cautious. Fading and denting. Fading is common with vinyl flooring, especially when exposed to direct sunlight. This makes vinyl planks a bad idea for outdoor surfaces. But you can prolong their beautiful look by using rugs and blinds to block excess sunlight. Avoid mats with rubber material as they can also cause the floor to discolor. Also, consider moving furniture often to maintain color consistency. Vinyl is hard to remove while the vinyl installation process is very easy, but removing them is another story. If you're dealing with those that do not have click-lock installation, you'll be in for quite a task. Glued planks will take a lot of work to remove. Health risks. Vinyl is a less regulated flooring method, and as a result, manufacturers pay no attention to health issues. Vinyl is known to release some gases called the VOCs, which is a major indoor air pollutant. These gases can cause respiratory issues and not good for homes that have people with allergies. When buying vinyl, consider those with low VOC. But if you have no allergies, you can ensure the smell for a few days as the gases will disappear after a while. Vinyl types vary in quality. Luxury vinyl varies in qualities even if you buy from top-rated brands. You can determine the quality of vinyl if you focus on its thickness and other characteristics. Ask the sellers about different qualities to help you choose.